I purchased Davinci Studio because I wanted a secondary big screen, secondary monitor. See that monitor? Well, see what's going on there. I have on a large monitor. And ever since I went to version 19 in Studio, I've been getting black frames when I render out the video. And they call it, DaVinci calls it glitches, but I've been getting these black random. I can redo it and the black frames will be in different locations. So the workaround that we came up with at first was you click on file and then you go down here to render speed, and I tried 50%. It still had black frames. It wasn't until I got down to 10% that I could get a nice clean render. But I kept the dialogue going with them because they say my system is underpowered, but I've been using this laptop, purchased it just to do YouTube videos with DaVinci 4K, and I've had no problem till I installed Studio. Tech support solved my problem. So if you're getting glitches, black frames as I call them, go to Preferences. From Preferences, you want to go to Decode Option and uncheck this Decode H.264 and H.265 hardware acceleration. And see, when you click on that, I guess it's using the CPU, and that's what's causing my glitches. When you unclick that and you save that, then you restart DaVinci and all my black frames have gone away. It's just like the old times, and I can use my external monitor and I can now render a video without having black frames. And when I was editing, I was getting black frames. When I would be sitting here, I'd get a black frame, and then I would go in and I could go back and forth and the frame would go away, but minutes later I would get a black frame again. I can't replicate it for you guys right now because it's now gone, because if you uncheck that box, it will fix your problems. So happy rendering, guys.